Zero in on the perfect trading strategy with Vantage Copy Trading. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock the full potential of the search bar on the newly refined Community tab. You can find the Community tab on the Discover page. Tap the Filters icon on the right to set customizable filters. You can filter by time period, returns, risk band, win rate, and trading product categories, then tap Confirm to apply your filters. Tap the sort icon to arrange your search results. You can sort them by returns, number of copiers, win rate, and risk band. Tapping on the search bar allows you to input your search manually. Tap on Strategies and enter your search. You will see a list of top strategy names followed by their returns from over the past 3 months. Select signal providers to search for one. Their number of copiers will also be listed on the page. When you select symbols, enter a product symbol to find specific strategies trading that product. If no strategy appears, it means the product has not been used within a strategy yet. To learn more about assessing a strategy, watch our walkthrough video about the strategy page. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Vantage Copy Trading guides. Download the Vantage all-in-one trading app and start copy trading today.